My dogwood tree has small holes in the trunk and the tree doesn't seem to be doing well. I think it may be dying. What may be causing this? And this is from David in Germantown. So dogwood, small holes. What are we thinking?
Dogwood borer.
Dogwood borer, right?
Yeah. Lots of different borers out there, and they all like certain trees, and the dogwood borer likes dogwood.
Mm-hmm. And if you have your dogwood in the wrong place,
oh yes,
okay, where it's full sun, it's going to be stressed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when plants are stressed, they release VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds, in the air, and guess who picks up on those?
Borers.
The female, right?
Mm-hmm.
She comes in, she'll lay eggs, right where you have wounds, cankers.
Yeah.
And the larvae just goes right in. There you have it.
Yeah, and what you're seeing is some exit holes from after they've.
Yeah, you see the frass.
Yeah.
You can see the holes. But yeah, if you have anything like cankers or, look, if you have weed eater damage, lawnmower damage,
which
that creates those little
very common to have
entry
happen.
points and things like that. Yeah, they will find it. Okay, lay an egg right there, and of course when the larva gets in there, disrupts the flow of water nutrients up to the upper canopy.
Yeah, and then you start seeing some of the dieback on the top.
Yeah.
And if you want to spray for it, first try to plant it in the right place.
Right.
But secondly, if you want to try to spray it's preventative. You can.
Right.
You'd have to. It's sort of like what we talked about, the disease on the hydrangea. It's going to be a constant every couple of weeks spraying for insecticides on the bark, and if it rains, then you're going to have to start all over again. And I just don't know if anybody has the time to do all that. Just try to. It's not going to work. So try to not stress out your tree, and plant it in the right place, and see if we can get some.
Yeah, right now, this
growth.
time of year, you just have to make sure the tree is comfortable. Keep it water, fertilizer, whatever, because it's too late now, for that preventative spray. I mean, that needs to be done, I'm thinking,
starting in the spring.
Yeah, it needs to be done in April, pretty much to maybe June.
Yeah.
And that's going to be with bifenthrin, onyx is what that is, or permethrin, which is astro, right? Because that's what they use, pretty much to control a lot of your borers. So David, there you have it. That's going to be tough. But make sure, you have the plants, set up in the right situation. Right plant, right place. I think I've heard that a couple times before. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.